Every day, huge factories produce thousands of delicious ice cream products. The process begins with fresh milk and cream delivered from dairy farms. These ingredients are stored in massive tanks before production begins. Engineers carefully monitor the process using advanced control systems. Mixer temperature is optimal, flow rate looks good.
Confirmed, viscosity is stable.
Good, proceed to the next phase. The ingredients are mixed together to create the ice cream base. Different flavors are added to create a variety of ice cream types.
Quality experts test the mixture to ensure perfect taste and texture.
The mixture is heated to remove harmful bacteria. After heating, the mixture is cooled to prepare for freezing. The liquid ice cream mix travels through pipes to the next stage. Freezing machines transform the liquid mix into creamy ice cream. Constant churning gives ice cream its smooth and fluffy consistency. The entire process is carefully supervised by trained workers.
Some ice cream is shaped into classic cones.
Other products are filled into cups and tubs.
Delicious toppings are added for extra flavor.
Robots seal each container to keep the ice cream fresh. Workers check the final products to ensure perfect quality. The products are packed and prepared for distribution.
The ice cream is stored in cold warehouses to stay frozen.
Forklifts move the boxes across the freezing warehouse. The packaged ice cream is loaded onto special cold trucks. Finally, the ice cream is delivered to stores and supermarkets around the world.